Hey everyone, welcome back to Health is Wealth, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Are you looking for natural, effective ways to burn off that extra weight? If so, today's video is just for you. We've all heard about diet plans and exercise routines, but have you ever wondered about the incredible power of herbal teas? In today's episode, we'll be uncovering the secret leaves that have been used for centuries across various cultures to promote fat burning, boost metabolism, and control cravings. These aren't just ordinary teas. They are packed with natural ingredients that detoxify your body, regulate blood sugar, and supercharge your fat loss journey. These herbal remedies could be the missing link in your weight loss plan. And the best part? They are all natural, easy to prepare, and can be seamlessly added to your daily routine. Stay with us to learn about these powerful herbal leaves, their benefits, and how to use them effectively. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your journey toward a healthier, slimmer you, using nature's finest ingredients. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. First, oolong tea leaves. Oolong tea increases fat metabolism, helping the body burn calories more efficiently. It combines the properties of both green and black tea, making it an excellent metabolism booster. Oolong tea helps enhance fat loss by improving metabolic rates and aiding in calorie burning. This tea is great for those seeking to lose weight and boost their energy levels. How to use. Drinking 1-2 cups of oolong tea daily is a simple way to support weight loss and enhance fat burning. Dandelion leaves, Taraxacum officinale. Dandelion leaves act as a natural diuretic, which means they help the body eliminate excess water. This process reduces bloating and water retention, making you feel lighter. In addition to its diuretic properties, dandelion leaves promote digestion by aiding in the breakdown of food. They detoxify the liver, helping to remove toxins and improve liver function, and also regulate blood sugar levels, which is helpful in managing diabetes and preventing energy crashes. How to use. Dried dandelion leaves can be steeped in hot water to make tea. Drinking 1-2 cups of this tea daily can support digestion, liver health, and overall detoxification. Guava leaves. Guava leaves help regulate blood sugar, which prevents the body from accumulating excess fat. They stabilize blood sugar levels and support fat loss. Guava leaves are beneficial for reducing hunger pangs and preventing spikes in blood sugar, which leads to better appetite control and fat loss. How to use. Brew guava leaves in hot water to make tea. Drinking 1-2 cups daily helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce hunger, making it easier to manage weight. Peppermint leaves, Mentha piperita. Peppermint aids digestion by soothing the digestive tract, which helps reduce stomach discomfort. It also suppresses appetite, making it easier to manage food intake. Peppermint leaves are particularly effective at reducing hunger and helping the body break down fats more efficiently. This makes them useful for those trying to control their appetite and improve fat digestion. How to use. Drinking peppermint tea before meals can help curb overeating, as it suppresses appetite and promotes digestion. Cinnamon leaves. Cinnamon is well known for its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels, which reduces cravings, particularly for sugary foods. It also enhances metabolism. By stabilizing blood sugar, cinnamon leaves help regulate appetite and prevent cravings for high-calorie foods. It also boosts metabolism, which promotes weight loss and better blood sugar control. How to use. Add cinnamon leaves to boiling water and let them steep for a few minutes before drinking. This tea helps with sugar cravings and improves overall metabolism. Moringa leaves, Moringa oleifera. Moringa leaves are rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients, making them highly beneficial for digestion and energy production. They improve digestion and provide a natural energy boost. Moringa leaves help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce cravings for unhealthy foods, and promote fat breakdown, making them ideal for weight management. How to use. Both fresh and dried moringa leaves can be used to brew tea. Drinking moringa tea regularly supports digestion, balances blood sugar, and reduces cravings. That's all for today's video on the secret leaves with herbal teas that can burn away your overweight. Remember, consistency is key. So try incorporating these teas into your daily routine and watch the transformation happen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Let us know in the comments which herbal tea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.